Warm welcome to all our guests and partners. As we prepare to welcome you back to our hotel, I wanted to take this opportunity to take you behind the scenes and show you what the team and I have been doing to ensure you have a safe and memorable stay. It is my absolute pleasure to invite you to our newly refreshed lobby, specifically thought out to provide you with a tranquil and spectacular start to your stay. Digital keys available at our hotel, allowing our guests the unique opportunity to use their phones to open the door instead of using a hotel keycard. Hilton has launched a Clean Stay program in partnership with RB makers of Lysol and Dettol that offers hospital-grade cleaning products to complement our already high standards of housekeeping and hygiene. When it comes to your room, the program emphasizes on 10 high-touch, deep clean areas such as remote control, telephones, light switches and door handles. Once the room has been cleaned, we place a seal on the door to indicate that you're the first guest to enter the room since it has been cleaned. I'm excited to show you how we have transformed our meeting spaces to provide a comfortable and safe area for your event. We've managed to create a warm environment while still ensuring the layout of our rooms follow the required 1.5 meter distance between our guests. This is one of my favorite areas of the hotel, our garden terrace. The perfect location to enjoy a nice summer evening with friends and family and escape the everyday. My name is Maria Gabriel-Selassie and I'm the hotel manager of this beautiful Hilton Amsterdam, where the team and I cannot wait to have you back through our doors. So see you soon.